Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Nigeria. You understand? So, let's talk about. I don't see one video made person send out for me for WhatsApp about one of our sister. They say, Edo boys, you guys are not romantic. We do this, we do that, did this, we do that. Edo boys, we the imagboko, niye butoni, tima, imaria kuwa, wani ne do guys in order with waima. Wama, are you the best? Il vient de guérir, il essaie de guérir, il vient de, il vient quand il vit beau en distinct. Erima weje, my where you what? Now, so we still there. As soon as I say, no, oh. Now, so we still there. My where you? Is it compulsory? Man must do everything. In any successful man, you know there is a woman behind him. Wanani mebe ikona donc ben we do we donc pan we je camp ya mu ye camp rewe. Oh, this our brother are not girls but now okay my go camp now go carry one bini boy oh my for bless his life oh. You dey do one not be already made the fan like the one I go do just like yesterday no te jamais jour te wa jamais jour. So that can one know the work where no do yamu. Not be ready made you not the fan. You don't want suffer. You want enjoy. Nah. The man after I don't use you enjoy. Now you can't remember person made a start life with that suffer with him. You say next pass what uviye. You get when on the pay umemiya ugbalo mwekun. Then what le brother no le Versace ne? What le brother no le Bugatti? What le brother no le Armani? What le brother no le Gucci? No ya lele. The brother guy call ya men and you do less social media. And the press they are not romantic. Tinya yo bogogi huwa. Wani why yo bogogi mawa. When we went away, that's why Bini guess. They don't like to the marry Bini boy. Now so we Bini boys not see like to the marry Bini guess again. Why we make yo bon wajenima? Again, what ran yobo okberane again now we brody mana use a karowati draw a tattoo yegbe. Again why we yobo niya our brother nek muya fone. A big name mun wagbalwa not be big name. E ote yame e toni me big name. Ona akpukpo me keje we no not to ya jame you know. A big name mi wagbalwa. Can you go and carry a boy from a camp now and bless his life? We are where. Can you do it? What buy a copy? A copy ya and the boy was crumble with camp. He has crumble with camp in Osika City, wherever. Why can't you go and pick one and bless his life? And let's see that one we betrayed you. No, like me now maybe say I be already made. So what by the way wa oh, that way in sugar. Etik be ayo. God bless you, Baba. Etik when meje at every day I talk. I flex a lot. You made it to understand. I greet you, Baba. Now I talk by Baba. I flex a lot. Then me may be already made. Oko ni magbasu sene. Egenina anje komo boxers. Ni mana re one room from Benin or from any state. She was there with me. She was enjoying with me. We gather the drink Gary. Even she go even get belly because of say money no day. She go do her auction because of me. Then today I'm blessed. You can see that. Do you think before? Let me use I always use myself as an example. Before that, you think my name just come like that. Before I can't be like this. Now so I your be. Not be person we gotta start like. Then he give like webo. He give flex in he give boof in he give enjoy in he give as I call balance. Then who when so talk go who go cramp me, who do cramp me, he do so konisia. If you guys this, because I see the video, I was so paranoid that what is he saying? Water? Say Benin men are not romantic. How? Do you know what is romantic is all? Do you know what romantic is all about? Do you know what romantic is all about? Do you know what love is all about? Do you know what fun is all about? Do you know what it's all about? Is it by saying I love you, baby? Hello, baby, what's up? How you doing? Where are you? I'm at home. Okay, don't worry, I will come and pick you now. Hey, baby, please don't cook. I will help you. Hey, baby, don't worry, I will wash your clothes. Hey, baby, don't worry, I will do this. Do you think that is the love? You think that is the feelings? Akbabubu. As soon as no one they marry us, no one go they marry. We not here, or we boy, we going out. Now, so we still be Maggie with ye. Do a man anywhere. Matobi ma me with because where do you jinima? Now let social media know. Etu wa mu magboto with social media. Don't know the money mu to boto se we social wo no a. Wa ni to bu wa ki onisi wa ho no bia ne formen. Wa ho no he. Wa ho no na ti bie. Wa ho no ha ti bie. Wa to bu wa disgrace gbuwa. Okay, one with social media. Okay, listen. My sister Damio Etimagbio. I love her. For instance, I love you as a sister or as a girlfriend. For instance, I'm using for instance here. Eh? It toss you well, for instance. And that's why I said, me not toss you. I don't move like that with social media. Mdu we. If you toast any big on social media, you'll take go see yourself tomorrow. Ultimate way marriage, you can't whether or not motafon ladian. On vient vous not afon can. Don't viens not don't Eh, one not to bois. Oh, yeah, or dafe Monica wa bully here. So that I'm trying to mention people's name. Is this supposed to be done on head you are? Who are here? Who are here? Who are so day? Medie, where the man, where ye? Who are not here? Where with you? Person go marry on a sister on a de bully. On a sister not feel born and I go let people know say that sister not get picking. On a sister go born for another man and I go tear his chest. Why do very well with social media where your bionic but don't no hide mu. Don't no hide mu. Or two white beer for not to celebrate with on sister. Why more like that with social media over here black, over here for over here one part black, one part yellow. When what gay, my sister? When we wait out wide with my way with Faune, my way with meeting your name. Manivia doni, mama, ni we don't still do meet put. We not still marry. My way ye. On a not see the romantic. On a not the headful. Why pima? Kino vone wakwalo. Imenato si we kwe. Eto akwe o. See that I'm say cute, he get big name. People know. But a brother in a camp. No settle down with you. Why did you not help that brother that is in camp? You are looking for already made. Before God become God, don't you know it pass through fire? See me now, you may be like him. Oh man, I wish Nami ought date this guy. Or I wish Nami ought be this guy wife. Man, I think this guy is very cute. I think he's very handsome. And I think he have one or two connections. You are feeling the heat right now. But you will not think, how come about that man sees? What made this man be like this? Is this somebody that lives in? Who are here? Who are here? Who are married? Married. Why not take Jamaica? You know we know them. Married. Why more? No respect. Mother 1 year for our sister. Now them, not be even man go bring her on social media. Now, if we them as a woman, now they go cut us. Hey, see my make marry. See my make marry. Oh, here my beer. Sorry, I'm trying to mention it. Who are those people doing this thing? Is it not the women? Bullying people's husband, bullying people's children. Tomorrow, a reasonable man will want to dent. You want to make it. When I love Lori Buruku Shiulo, love Calabar will not. My sister, when we wait, we give we mama de romantic. Ima you bog boku. Eri ma we faune. Matobi ma we found ma we ma give we rivier. Ma we ye. Ou agwa wa mase. De kwesi ma vwe kapia. Ou gwal already made. Already made the guy bo ameyo konenia. Why do alajan we rivier te mal. Dia na renya gboku eria ye bogwa we normal. No, my people just think, when I was watching the video, I was like, seriously? What makes you think like that? They upset, they are not going to marry us, that they marry if you're going to this. Yes, now, it is man with J. Oh, we're going to wear ye. I think enough. So, just do you think any reasonable generation will come now? We have anything to do with any of the media abroad? Listen to me. Who are so they? If who man change a character, who are so they? Be aniro equal because we are valuable was say. Your twin, maybe at this particular time, might be wo hamwe la dian. Uwo ye unpore ya uwo ya gbigbe again who no se no mana tibie. Who de to agree. I don't think one my beg video ni. Walk back. The video is just for you, your family, and your friends alone. Umege imabege. Otwen mare, umoda fuen la dian. Danu wo unwe na unsukbo. Then, who want my vein rigbana, or will be come in. Otwen are la video who, or la video or tiabonimo. Wo, a gay, it's still madame yo, a gay la video. Oh, wa vano, a gay, ovia do la video, wa vano, wa talo. Then where the way no more do we take our money serious? Uvie. We are not too you. We are not too romantic to that person. Will you allow your brother or your sister, your brother, to be romantic to that kind of person? That tomorrow when she did a sliding mistake on live video, they are going to bully your brother or your brother's children that she give birth to your brother. You guys should also change your character before we even think another dimension. Yeah? No, nobody should. They should not be taking and say, Bini men, what have we done? Bini men, we also the way men also. The Igbo men make they talk. Do you know what make them successful? Where do we dini Igbo best you? Make Igbo girls they do to support their man. Where do we are? Where to risk? Can you take a D like a risk for a boy that is in the camp as an Edoma? We are trying. Error the made wagwalo. A big name in it. No man in wagwalo. Can you pick a boy from the scratch? Can you take a risk? Can you make a D? Can you do a D for a boy that is still living in camp? Can you uplift one boy? Boys in the bleach criminal ni joy tattoo when we drug home every no bleach. Wagwalo already made. Okay, buwako yo me wadu atalo. Eh? No, my people. It may sound funny. We should look at vice versa. Nobody can just come out and say Bini men are not Roman. I'm part of Edoma. I don't know if you understand. I'm also, when you say that, you are still saying it to me. Listen, if Bini men are not romantic, according to that video that I watched, that's right, our sisters are marrying Igbos and stuff like that. Ask yourself, who are bringing, which set of people they bring disgrace to Edo on social media? Is it not the women? We have few men. Are they bringing some word of expensive word to our Edos? It's just by mentioning, hey, that is your point. Wagagwali imani nyahima gorish adigete grow. Kobeno keson awekia. All those things. Ikwima unikwima now. Umamionita. Ogima nikbe we metawe we are not romantic. Ima yoboko do no mere iviedo oviedo na wa yobo silewa. Oviedo no ene gbona yobo sile nínú howa. We are supposed to be truthful to ourselves here. I made a post few days ago, and I said, I said my in-laws, Igbo, I'm very proud to be your in-law. Somebody comment. I don't know if the comment is still there, I don't know. He said, no worry, they'll usually do suya. Now you go be the next, you don't collect document for Igbo and you don't run leave for Igbo, go meet this thing. And I asked myself, you don't even know the person that I'm reporting. I just make sure an Igbo. You don't know who be the person. You don't know who be the person. You don't know the tribe the person belongs to. You don't know why I'm afraid to show that person because of our sisters on social media, not because of the men. Because of our sisters on social media. Who start bullying children? Who start bringing white women picture on social media? Not be on maybe the women. Who start them? Ask yourself. So which reasonable man go to say one associate with? I don't even think. I don't even think. Who tell you that one? Man, don't say so. You never jam. That's why. Yeah? So, my sisters, we have 1,000 loyal, humble, kind, lovely men out there. Edo men out there that can still give you the best, but they are nobody. They have no connection. They have no name. They have no Versace. They have no Gucci. They have no document. They have no house. Okay. They have no heart, but they are very kind. They are very loyal, humble, lovely. They will respect you for the rest of their life. But will you go, you that sister, will you go for that kind of person? No, you will not. You are looking for a ready-made boy like me that masses. Me don't get name. Me people know. Maybe if it don't balance. Or ukwalo. But you umel them that masses is it guy go ya me wakwe. Udo ladun do ago. Bini men are not romantic. Be edinya you bog. Tamame buniaje. Tamame buneje. Nojima vekbe no adase. Nojima vekbe or adase. When I say no manager with now because of social media no. Because of social media. Munda we if you doke we mikere why mo la with social media. Ovie do ga neun ona wia why mo la with social media. Ovie do man akpa kon say why mo da ono say ana do expose then the word in do egbe mani mahin. We egbe mi wetana when we woni in different states no ye no niya ye leru we I carry ovie do. Yes, Igualoni Roviedo. I want to marry a Benin man. Nitamawe. Obi bonado obi onado obiebo. No ebo. Maybe she's a woman. And Orioviebo. Orie ebo as a man. Only order for him. She will look for that a husband friend to assist our fellow Igbo friend. Duma na nuwe. Ono se mi ya des fois. We no vie do no Igbo. We kwe no su we sobo. Etu mu awo se we amio o miewe. Igbo as a man ari obiebo, onari obiebo, onari ebo we bo no riri aje. Ogwalo ebo no gwalo si oyi. Omuno tion no Igbo. no recamp. Oh, confusing. Oh, no, so now in your Gambia. Unage most Gambia in all over the world. Ebonya mobori. Umewe ni na agbinwe potoki. Iye mweto zete yu unye. But gay, go and look at them. Ebeni area muhye bori enia. You will be surprised. Eso we yak balebo ya kun olori buruku ebo osinya aga friend ebo. Iye misho boni eboni almost monsieur pare. No ya we company no sio or sio. We are we already made the work balo. Chema may get big name. You are not supportive, then you want man to be romantic to you. That one can do romantic to you when social media mama this, mommy this. I love only you know see this mama, I don't love her. I think you say me the man they romantic. Or that for you to prepare a table, prepare a food for table for dining for her. No, you read social media here. A sister no Moses, a sister no Stagas, a sister no way Betty, a sister no way no. And when you plan the romantic in or that when you say or money to net they work, then we're a WhatsApp group, what form a group. When a WhatsApp group, what form a group and while a romantic relationship, you are looking for so intro. I'm looking for the best love. While your husband is out there hustling, while you are out here or you are in your room doing WhatsApp call, all the name of I'm supporting this woman. I belong to this group. I belong to this group. Tamame when you cannot almost so boka man. When water why do with my rima what time I do with you what? Why are you social media? If you social media, in West Taga, Yagi, Imani West Taga say big bero, but when do we need West Taga here? In go far the way waje. A record de wuhia, a record de wuhia, one place to another, record. I do disgrace bomber. Then what you ever boy beggar. No, I been on verse for me, I beg. No, I'm not saying the truth. Now the truth, eh? Me now, okay, if you're here do. Iwari win and we are this sick by the lawa. Ya lawa. Oh, hey, mama beg, lawa we yati where we be. Other friend lawana. Then I'll come. Hello, how are you? Where are you? Iga gwe mama gwa. Sister Verica. Where is Sister Verica and Sister ni wala. Ni we or appreciate him ni like. Or why educate him, Sister Verica. Okay, either way, what you na my love, diminuely, egwi or dame or dove, no vessel. I was iga lenemi, iga so okay, dine, ni wasege ya live aina. Ashu, ni wasege kwa ya le. Ni wasege ya le. Then you are looking for a perfect relationship or a perfect home. When you are supposed to take care of your boyfriend or your fiancé, you are on the phone. You are on the phone discussing with a woman on social media. You are on the phone commenting with your fake account. The time you are supposed to be concentrating on your husband or your children, you are adding on that fake account, supporting a woman you don't know from Adam. Supporting a woman you don't know from Adam. Then you are waiting, you wait for the best relationship. Tell me why the man not go leave you, go for another person. Why not go you slap tear on your ear? What's the neck not boy? Then no do la dia wa we romantic. Look at most of our adult women on social media. Where on Europe, gay, go and look at their Facebook. They get almost two fake accounts. And as we are talking, those Sylvia therefore they insult woman. Now women like that go they call, hey mama, God go bless you. They are jealous in you. God will punish them. Oh, they are enemy of progress. The Lord is your strength. We there with you, idiot. Your Sylvia people are bringing your fellow woman down. And you will be calling and say, God will bless you. You are the best. Mama, we all they enjoy you. Me, and the worst part, some of them going to say, me and my husband, or the phone, Told that phone when it all I don't think my fiance can say, baby, let's watch this man. Let's watch this woman. Ah, biyalaya. U binya be yo ao. Akonge no ruwe. U biokpa na avalo yo. Akonge no ruwe ni okma fwa. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Okay. You see some women, man go to insult woman like you, a woman like you. Woman go to insult woman. You see most of them. Mama, you are the best. May God bless you. They are gossiping you. They are just jealous. Don't worry, the Lord is your strength. We are behind you. No shaking. Mama in the house. No, we did there. Then he go say, Mama, me and my children, you they greet our children, no one, no two. Now your head, now you take the greet that person. Mama, me and my children, my husband, we all they enjoy your program this evening. Now one attack, and the man go they sort it. Man, if you dare among of those men, shame on you. Shame on you. Whoa. Thank you so much. Whoa. Oh, what tiebo no who. Another for oh haiti you wear the video. Oh, when mama me and my husband. No ya tanu. Twisted. Kiye ke fonu ya kimyoto ogun gbea wa ro wi oku munda wa wi lacking in oku na abi supporter na say the olori buruku so who be cure is a stupid and foolish woman. I don't see my fiance. Then woman insulting woman and she will want to contribute negatively. All the name, not even say, Mama, please, it's okay. Don't you think we are all sisters? Brother, please stop insulting these our women or stop talking to these our sisters. We are all one. No, rather he will say, Brother, God go bless you. Sister, God go bless you. You are the best. No matter what. No, shame on some women. That's why we my way turning we nagi we my way when what are women what do we my way because my you wa social media ma do ya make be ma a live video now o me wa ladian oh we no my husband na say he prick ere ki agaje o no me the woman imagine all the name of social media amowe atie bonene. All the name of Israel no gune atie bonene. All the name of social media. Then why do we hear though? I watch the video. The girl they say Benin boys they are not romantic. Inya you go atamawe. That's why we are getting over do over erima wait time ani boys wait time we magi we die over guessing. Mario over do we guess it on we bo my we who are be testing on. You are not supportive there, you need glory. Okonoma we kia we gbalomo. Okonoma we kia we gbalomo. Tell me one woman that is a motivational speaker on social media. As all the women is concerned on social media. Which one woman is a motivational speaker that you are allowing your wife or your fiancé because of that one? Or that for kiwinare, or that for gawa kiwinare. Mommy, no worry. Mommy, love what that for me there. Every man that no, he ain't what that for me. He go on entice him. Mommy, please, my guy, every man that wa lawana. Yati where we be. Every man that wa lawana. When your husband is supposed, as your husband, they call me, put a smile on your husband's face. Let your husband see the smile, the beautiful smile on your face. How many women they read documentary again because of social media? How many of our women they read documentaries again? How many of our women they read about woman body system again? How the monthly due flow? How to get the sign when this thing is coming? I'm not gonna teach these things. When woman come what is it called? This thing they ought. How to verify it? How to satisfy your man? How to be loyal to your man? No, what do you guys preach? Immorality. Not let any man use it for abroad, though. Not let any man tell you saying to know for this one abroad. Oh, my word. Then you not say Benin men are not romantic. How dare you? How dare you say so? We are very honest, and we are very loyal, and we are very traditional. How dare you say so? How many Benin girls are loyal in Europe to their man? He said that when the man lay a hand on them, they tell him, get a fuck out of my house or call the police. Hello, please, I'm having some issue with my man, no, with my baby mama. You imagine, is your baby father. We're not going everywhere we go to everywhere or everywhere. Did your father marry to your mother legally? But today you call the police my baby father. Is he not what they teach you on social media? Not let man write you. Just kick him out. Don't accept any violence. You are a mother damn shit fucker. Do you know how many slap our mother received from our father back home? But they will still be there saying, I will not leave this stone because of my children. Which woman go feel beer with man for abroad again? Which dog guy go feel beer with man for abroad again? Oh, now they call it the disgrace with the Benin men say, now so we are not romantic. Now so the video they go viral. Which woman for abroad maybe a woman go give me your husband slapper if you not go couple. But you know how many times our men, our papa beat our mama. He go say no, I will not leave this house because of my children. He's so one about. My work bad your ja. He should sell your mom monagbe. E maneka abuji. Afile yekwa. He go papa's. The next thing papa go pursue enough for our sister now for husband. You say you go tell say they go papa's for Luku. Or he go say they go in your house made or his body build. I give you a gonegbe. Yours might be 2 flat, you want beat 4 flat. Tell me where is the respect. Benin boys not get respect. Do you have one? Do you guys have one? Because I know like my papa, I know how many times my papa chased my mother out of his house. Sometimes 2 o'clock in the midnight. My mother will sleep outside. I said I go nowhere because of my children. Even when she go to her father's house, her father will still drive her back and say, no, go back to your husband. Go and settle whatever you are. And she will still call on her knees and say, Daddy, please. No nyame ya bome. No nyame ya bome. Sometimes my father will say that I will not eat your food for 7 days. For maybe, or here no magic way. With 7 days. Those that grows in families will know what I'm talking about. My mother was trekking for Jaro, because my family has said Jaro, or trekking from this to Jaro. I am your kagbe. What do you mean? What's when? What do you mean? What's an onario jamundomo? How many guests want to jam with Domona? When Obiome and who that for why do you get benefit? Then you are looking for a romantic man. You are looking for a romantic man. You are looking for a perfect man. No, I don't want you sentimental here. Maybe not say because maybe I'm from one party, Joe, one part Benin. So I should just do it as in amicably. As we are talking right now, there are still women on live video contributing, sharing nonsense video that is not making an impact in their life. And do you know what? Mama Mariona for us, any din who are din. To a din. Have you ever seen an Edo live video presenter that is teaching Edo girls, mostly this our generation, how to live a fulfilled life on social on marriage? Go and check it. Which Edo woman they live video they teach how to live a fulfilled life as a woman in social media. Rather, you go bring a friend come out. They are jealousy me. You see one sister go your call. Hello, my lady. God go bless you, mama. God go bless you for everything they do. Now God Almighty go bless you. No mind that woman, they jealousy you. Now God go punish her. Woman, you go deal live video, they insult woman, then you call, put you see. And you don't know, say you made a call, you still be woman. You don't know. Say you see, it cannot be woman. Mama, me and my family, you they watch you. May God Almighty bless you. We all they enjoy. Me and my husband. And you see some their husband go they talk for the background. Mama, we love you. Ugele ko. Do ero anu tu ko. We have our old people. No one teach about marriages again. No one teach patience about marriage. You have to be very patient when it comes to marriage. All they teach is violence. Don't let man oppress you. Then you are not. That our sister define a stable relationship. Don't say that again. Say Benin men they are not romantic. Where when we Moses said we are yari buenore camp here. What's mana amwe buenore camp? E boisi mavwe camp here. E boisi mavwe camp that is ready to die, that is ready to sacrifice everything that is hard for you. But he have no money, he have no Versace, he have no influence, he have no connection, he have nothing, but he have love. Will you accept that? No, not be already made like as that day that don't get big name, don't get everything. That know people. Not be you want to go for you guys call your modo so who do that with Benin and not romantic. Who want me we don't know where he make back here walk back too much sugar in now. So my people, the truth is that most of our people are getting it wrong, and the way the thing got to do obvious to everybody on this earth is because of the way they have disgracing our sisters also. How can you marry? How can you imagine? Maybe I'm your brother. I'm from Togo, for instance. I'm from Togo. And I'm married to a Benin girl in Europe. The next year, I will start seeing myself on social media. And you think my brother would like want to see go for that? They say, we like want to go for a tribe where me for marry. Bully my wife. That I'm supposed to be proud of, that my family are supposed to be cherishing like a gold, but they are seeing her on media, turning her head to goat, lizard, crocodile, tear ibele, put nakedness picture for a body. Do and another man dey on top of my man. He may go wakoya me dey man. He may not. When I get resist or can't made the apple for social media for our women, He may go wakoya me dey. My woman that's supposed to be my pride. That's supposed to be, as in, my everything. Then because you have a misunderstanding of media, you start bullying me, bullying my children, bullying my private wife. Who they do all those things? Not be women. Oh, that's our sister. You not sit down and talk. Umami onita. What would be men? They are not romantic. Tima yobo. Inya yobo buwenya. No, they did work. Or you are to go already made. What's when I move from this the tap root? Already made you wagwalo beni. Oh, beni wagwalo. Uhu noma somiti binye gwale love wona mie wona so ubo. Uhu noma somiti binye gwale love wona mie wona so ubo. Wona mie o wona so ubo wona mie wona so ubo. We are supposed to know this. Our social media experts for our women in it, some of our adult women in Europe for our social media space is totally corrupt. I can't allow my fiance to even every day I look my fiance Facebook. When I was say I just go look at this, he like anyone. He's dead before he's dead before I arrive. Because I know nothing immorality that he's not going to learn anything positively. That do you know what it takes? Let me tell you what they call emotional system, where they go hack your emotional system. You have been watching somebody for close 6 months, and what they do there is negativities. Listen, automatically, your wife, you don't adopt that in small. You not go know. Now today, you go fall for a yarn. Now you go tell you say, waiting not the practice for 6 months, you go cause show for your body. If you don't know me, you know. I don't think any. I don't think. Just imagine. Imana amu okunoro wodire ajaga igbe. Umyokbe noro wodoro jaga igbe. Mo our children. Nothing pay me past social media presenter made the first children. Nothing pay me past her. Because I know how precious mine be to me. That's why I don't play with people insult children. It pains me with my heart that, oh God, you children that don't know what we are doing on social media. Why are we trying to tarnish this children's image? You can make mommy tears they come out from my eyes. I've been obviously value my. Do you know how long I'll be protected my family? I'll be protecting my family out of social media. I'll be protecting them with everything. Because do you know why? I don't want them to be booed. I can't just imagine for my stupidity that I'm doing right now. Somebody will now bring my son's picture out and say, I don't give a fuck about Dadamas's children. Just imagine the pain you are causing in that little boy, that little girl's life. Time to come, social media may not forget anything. On they do all those things. On another reason. Who do we do they are not romantic. Being men, they are not romantic. I dare you say so. When you guys are following our in-laws all over the place. Whether Benin mama, whether our Benin get married, Igbo, Hansao, Kogio, Benin like himself, on a go bullion. Or the name of Stagger. Can't you do Stagger without going far to family issues? Without going far to private life? I don't see myself insulting somebody's father. Not in my life, not in my generation, and it will never happen. I don't see myself insulting somebody's children. Not in my life, not in my generation, and it will never happen. I don't see myself insulting somebody's wife. Not in my life, not in my generation. Then you come out and say Benin men are not romantic. Who creates a room to these children in bullying? Who creates a room to these children insult? Who creates a room for those insults that we are trending today? Is it not the women? I swear. I swear. All the name of who want to claim right. And those are the people you call get fiancé. Or you call get wife. You call take your bed on a parlor. You go your bed tossing in the washroom. Brother, slapping you in the mad. Or you go cause in the one group. Or in one club. Through that club. Now Facebook, slapping you, scatter the phone. Break up that fucking relationship. Let's go. Let it go and marry that club he belong to, or that club he belong to on Facebook, or that group he belong to on Facebook. Don't give a fuck about him. He's a mad woman. Facebook don't make most of our sisters respect our men again. You know how many of our men, they eat bread, they sleep? You know how many of our men, they eat bread, they sleep? What the name of daddy? The name was Fona. Okpeno with the Okpeno with the program. Wafona daddy mudiakere. Inya ha convenia with daddy mudiakere, daddy mudia, daddy mudia. Anyway, daddy gay. Mabe nota we mana. Daddy gay. Oh what you we? You are like him nota. Daddy mudia. John, sit down. I'm coming. Yeah. Okay, you want to drink latte? Don't worry, I'm coming, daddy. Oh, mama, don't cry. Please, don't worry. I'm going to make latte for you. Then tomorrow, with that man break up, with that man is not lovely, with that man is not kind to that woman, you come out and say, Bini Mea like that. Go and look at the way Igbos are doing stagger. Have you seen them bring out their husband? Have you seen them bring out their wife? Have you seen them bring out their children? Who have the biggest platform as far as Nigeria is concerned? Igbo and Yorubas. Igbo and Yoruba, they have the biggest, although they don't know if we come out from about 80. The biggest platform is from Igbos and Yorubas. Have you seen them bully their wives and their children? Okoko live video, over 1,000 followers, 1,000 views, 800. No, I got it. My lady, mommy is good. Mommy Osaloba Afiangwe, the Lord is your strength. Enemy go shame, mama. By the grace of God, enemy will shame. We are going to disgrace them. God will bless you, mama. Don't mind that they are idiot women. They are foolish. They are jealous. Me and my children, they wash you. My husband say, I greet you. Daddy, umatwe no make any good to you. Some men, some akpabo men. You see, mama, I greet you. Hey, the presenter can say, hey, I better me greet your man. Oh, every man wa talk. He don't want to say, daddy. Mama my husband say, I greet you. Where say mommy? We there here. Me and my family, we are there. Mama. Me and my family are all watching you. We are watching you, mama. Sister God will bless you. Sister God, we are all watching you. No problem. Maybe later we come back. Okay, mama, don't worry. I go put money for that account now. And after then, the woman she still the insult woman like you. That's why you don't see me where they insult men. I don't comment. Anywhere for the insult man like me, I don't contribute. If I say the insult one too much, I will withdraw myself. Because I feel and say, where for the insult that man, you are insulting me. In case you never know. That's the kind of person I am. I don't like insult. Then woman, they insult woman like you for you to come and see the way there will be a solution. Rather, you will not be there say, I support her, and the other one gets you up on it, the other one gets you up. Mama, Mona think of all these things now. Then tomorrow, one girl will come and say, Bini Mea are not romantic. You feel be say that man, you're the beer because he never get paper. Or that man, you're the beer because wait till they find never complete for. If that thing complete for, you go tell say, hey, Okbenike beer le yon boya. Où est zwa? Ya reke nuje, wa dwe ki onyaga. Où zwa? Onyanya umawe, uganya unegbe, owe kumwe kwa okba because we are no gwalo balancing. Okba swa. Kinsi go moda yuwa. So abale kiat, no ma ho we abalo makan. Akpolose no ru fene agi ku fe. Ukbuzo agige. Oya mu no mosawe, o ekemanatika o mo wi gokpa. O dawe, oya mo wi go. E suffer no suffer the lawyer ya mo wi gokpa re. That will be loyal, respectful, kind to him. Because most of you have passport, these women that is disgracing us, that is saying Benin men are not romantic. Because most of you have passports. Oppressing a man, you don't know that man know that you are oppressing him. Don't worry. Ni mi ya no gwalo sobo. What you me be ya gwale mi ya no Roma boy. Don't you know today I have a daughter of 14 years. I can decided to lawyer for one woman because of I can decided to lawyer for one woman to Emily. He make sure he go soto. He go. Okay, I can be 50 men. He go less way. I can go out there and do whatever I like. I can say I will never give birth again. He want me 14 years in there. He ya man. I'll make sure I finish you and bring you down. All our investments in Nigeria. I will change all the files. How dare you? I'm a Bira BUSA. Go and fight for that woman you think you are fighting for social media. Tell her to bring out my picture. Tell her to narrate me. So after narrator, you Bonia Genuine. Tell her to castigate me. After the castigate, are they going to bring you a solution to it? No. Go and marry to that woman you are supporting also. Go and marry to that group you belong to. No, love, nobody offend me. Now, because of, there is a video I saw that one of our sisters said Benin men are not romantic, that they use on this, they offend, that they use on the scatter girls. That's why Benin girls say they're not the marry Benin boys again. Benin boys, they're not loyal, they're not this. Sabi also, I dare you, they take part of me. What about the girls? Look at the people disgracing us all over the place on social media. I'm not talking about physical on social media. Is it not the women? Who no matter something to win your quality love? Eh? Are you more romantic than Benin men? Man. As we are talking right now, a lot of women they queue for conference call. With they talk now. They plan who they want bullying tomorrow. Who they want cut your hair, put goats put. They conference call. Why you supposed to be with your husband on the bed, discussing about life, discussing what to do, discussing the way forward. No, they know they do that one. They are there talking about what they know not to just they talk about blah blah blah. Do this, do that, do this. Mama, not worry. We take your back. Any connection, we go run out. So what are you guys? What are you guys? Yeah. What are you guys saying? What are we not talking about? We too de romantic. We shall be also. We shall be do everything made you find. Oh, bad will be man. I be what disgracing man. You guys that is disgracing us, that is telling us what we don't know, telling us different things, and you are saying we are like that. Don't say that, man. If we not the bokoni, get mama, my guy koko wapi. May I make sure my big guest stars or a hotel or my key big shop in my brother, my sister Bokoya man. Yes, again, he change me, Bokoya man. Imana me way, Imana when he Bokoya, he change me a new woman because what belongs to my son belongs to me, or what belongs to my daughter belongs to me. He Bokoya man. Igbo okoya me. Who are sohia, who so bijuani, who so sister when you relate with social media, I will tell you, go and marry to your social media husband, woman that you think she can fight for you. Yeni me go. Put my picture everywhere, picture one. Why So I want to tell everybody that, please, our women to change these characters. These characters is not really good by bullying ourselves. Insulting, but men that is insulting children will stop Emma. Stop insulting children. Our children know nothing about these fucking things we are doing on live video. Okay. Eh? See, now they want to go to marry Igbo men. Now so we want to go to marry another tribe, man, where ye. Ma we make a meeting and magi we because who are we disgracing ma oh we lazy why can you be disgracing us like that? How can you just be disgracing us nationally like that? Nana make the biggest disgrace warrior gima. Then saying we are this, we are that, we are this. We no lori buruku girl. Magi we What are you guys saying? Look at social media all today. Everything. No Benin man, no Benin woman that can celebrate successfully. Without a Benin, a woman, fellow woman will not bring him down on social media. Then you expect for a reasonable person to go for your sister, to be kind to your sister. Why you that is a sister to that person, you have public disgrace, give her a public disgrace. Some people will be fooling themselves, thinking, do you know what I feel about a few weeks ago that my name was mentioned on social media? My family were calling me up and down. Everybody was calling me. I have not tried to start begging. That will tell you how respect or how you think about people around you. My family were busy calling me up and down. How dare you? How they want to drag our name? My name was, they were insulting me. They were insulting your father. My name, as in my head, was bust. Mete Musa. When my family was saying, I said my head was bust. I was totally mad. I was thinking to do something stupid just to tell them that, okay, any we're not here, we're not here. But I was still thinking more and more and more and more. Oh, mete sa. Talk less of you to your boo my son or my daughter or my wife. Oh, mete sa. Up to now, you get who made sa. What we warrant of insulting somebody's children. Wife, husband, father back home. If Ediman in Libya, no Eriman in Libya, and so you suffer. Not because you build a too flat for them. You think that is the best life they need. My sister start calling me. My brother start calling me. People start calling me that I was forced to do what? Start apologizing, which I'm not supposed to. I'm supposed to stretch it. That, okay, let the war begin, let the stagger begin. But no, I remember the more I do this, the more I disgrace myself, the more I disgrace my family, the more I disgrace my friends, the more I disgrace people around me, the more I disgrace people that believe in me, the more I disgrace my own fellow brother that I think I want to. May I tell you, if you did bully me and I decided to respond, I'll still come across you, tell you what it will pay you. But the more I'm doing that, I see they disgrace you. As you are disgracing me, I'm disgracing you. And we say ourselves out. So my people, to be frank and sincere, it's not really good. We should stay away from this. Listen, this emo they do, we not go receive it now. Time will come, you will receive it. You will receive it. You are adding another fake account, supporting one person. Hey, mamie omyo kakere na no ya fugbe yeki yo egegiri egutane ana dadije gadio wa o. Mamie wo kakere na nwa magetare o ginyo ziba ni nwa magyo ukanata so wania. You are adding in fake account, bullying a woman like you. My sister, just change that narrative. How many of us they do the group rich? How many in a month? How many market women are they empower? How many children are they sew uniform for? Women, oh, because none of the form group. How many children are they sew uniform? How many children are the best school fees for? They pay school fees for? The best sandals for? Ask yourself, what is your group all about? Is to bully your brother, your sister, your friend, your colleague, your Edo brother, your Edo sister. Is that a group that you as a reasonable woman, a reasonable housewife to belong to? When people talk about single mothers, I don't believe there is a single mother. Because of what is single mother? Then a single mother. I don't believe there is a single mother. We should think of this. You cannot talk to him. Rather, if you insult person, you go to call, put Mama, God will bless you. I bet my sister may do that video. Benin men are not loud. Listen, we are not lazy. We are hardworking men, and we are talented. We are smart. We are wise. We are lovely. We are kind. Don't spoil our name out there. I been na not the kind. Na not kind. Una not kind. God bless you all. Stay blessed and shalom, my people.